Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can delete your Wix website and start over. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you need to log into your Wix account. Okay, that's the first step. You search for wix.com, and as you can see here, guys, I am going to log into my account right now. As you can see, this is my Wix account. Now what you need to do to delete your Wix website and start over is you want to click on your sites in the top left here. Okay, click on that, and here it will show you guys go to all sites. Like you go to all sites will appear here. You want to click on that. After you click on go to all sites, here it will show you guys the list of your sites. Now for now, at the moment, I only have one site, as you can see here. Now if you have multiple sites, you will find them here. Now what you need to do, guys, to delete your site, you just need to click on these three little dots, as you can see here, and then it says here you will find a few different options. You want to scroll, like at the bottom you can see here move to trash. Now you want to click on move to trash, as you can see here, and then you want to click on move to trash again. As you can make sure, as you can see, it says here, once moved, this site will be unpublished and cannot be edited. Sites will be kept in trash for 90 days. Now click on move to trash, and after that, guys, what you guys need now is you need to click on where it says here, you need to click on where it says create a new site. Now to create, like I said, to start over, you need to click on create a new site, and then you can start. Yeah, it says here bring your ideas with AI, so you can let AI create a website for you. You just need to click on start a chat, and then you want to tell the AI what your website, how you want your website to look like, what your website is about, like what you are going to do with that website, like you are going to sell services or products. You just need to tell the robot everything they ask you here. First, what do you want to call your site? That's the first thing. Okay, and then after that, you just need to follow the steps, and that's exactly, guys, how you can create a new site and delete the previous sites that you already had. That's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next episode. Drop a like. See you.